Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where cards, passes, and Apple Pay live. Once there, scan the list of payment cards and passes so you know what to remove. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and have your device passcode nearby because disabling features or removing cards will request confirmation. After confirming identity, you're ready to turn off the main wallet toggles or remove individual cards. Do the next step carefully. Next, disable the access methods. Toggle off double-click side button or home button so Apple Pay won't open accidentally. Then tap each card you want gone and choose Remove Card. This deletes the card from the device and stops payments. If you use Express Transit, open that card's settings and turn off transit mode because it bypasses authentication. Once done, verify no cards remain and that the quick access gesture is off, which essentially leaves Wallet inactive for purchases. To finish, restart your iPhone to ensure all wallet changes take effect and to clear any temporary data. If you want Wallet fully inactive, sign out of your Apple ID or disable Wallet Sync in iCloud settings so cards don't reappear on other devices. If a removed card comes back, make sure iCloud Keychain or device backups aren't restoring it. Disable wallet syncing, remove the card again, then reboot. If you still see problems, contact your card issuer to revoke the device token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.